Hi everybody, it's Deanna with Peace Paint and Pour. Welcome to another dry swipe. If you've seen my previous two videos, you know that I am doing a series, and for the month of January is dry swiping. So, and I got the wonderful idea from Cos Creations with Kathleen Osmore, who I love to pieces. She's my spirit animal, as we all know, and I can't say enough good things about her. So, I am working today on a 24 by 30. It is not a gallery wrap canvas. I got it at Walmart when I was looking for canvases and I couldn't find any, so I grabbed this one. But with what I'm doing today, it'll look really nice in a silver frame, silver crackle frame, I think. And so let me show you the colors that we are working with today. So this color right here is the Deco Art Pewter Extreme Sheen Pewter, and I love this pewter because it has a really awesome shade of blue, and blue is just one of my faves. The next color is, this is Modern Masters Pewter, which is more just a silver color, metallic. And then we've got Golden Fluid Paints Gray, because it has a lovely shade of blue in it. And then the base coat is going to be the Rust-Oleum Seashell. Rust-Oleum Sheesh. This will be the first time that I've used this paint. Got the idea from Kathleen. She's suggested it, so I'm giving it a try. And that the seashell is also going to be my base coat. So I'm going to, with nothing at all, I'm going to brush on the seashell. No Floetrol, no water, no anything. I'm going to brush it on, and then after that I will lay down the three colors that I showed you. Well, actually four, because I'm using the seashell as a little bit of in between on the swipes. So I'm going to lay down the four colors, and I'm kind of going to go in a wave type of design, and then I'm going to be swiping down. So we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, so let's begin. I will turn some music on for you, and because I'm doing that, I'm going to turn on my own music. Yay!
To give all I have, I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you, say you. Give up. time. It's never been worth it, but now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say just say would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. bitter, humble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder? You ever wonder?
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Uh-oh. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So, 'cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts and playing games. Maybe reveal it, they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more concealing, they ring me, I won't be ashamed. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. Pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Uh-oh. 'Cause I just wanna call.
Okay, so here it is. Let me take you in for a close-up. That seashell is just very, very pretty, especially with that pewter. Now, I don't know, I may go ahead and put a strip of the Prussian blue right down the middle of this white stripe and just do like some baby swipes. I don't know, I haven't made up my mind yet, but I'll let you know what all I did on the dry results. I'm still thinking about it, but I got some really tiny little pretty cells. And it's just glistening. Once this dries, it'll stay glistening with all the metallic in there. What do you guys think? Will you leave me a comment and let me know? Let me know what I should add or should not have done. I really would love to hear your feedback. Feedback only makes me get better. Awesome. I am so happy with this. But I'll be back with the dry results, guys. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I did add Prussian blue. Just kind of dots of it and went through. And I think that gives a better focal point. And then I kind of over torched on the blue pieces, the Prussian blue pieces, just to kind of break it up a little. So tell me what you think. Did you like it before better or now better? Let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, share. I would love you for it. Thank you, everybody. I'll show you the dry results tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.